Outside the United Nations headquarters, a huge demonstration against Indian actions in Kashmir. Inside, Pakistan's Prime Minister told the General Assembly that the world needed to understand the suffering those actions were causing the Kashmiri people.
What sort of a mindset would lay siege to 8 million people with 900,000 troops? Women, children, sick people, locked in as animals. In fact, of what I know of England, if 8 million animals were locked in, the RSPCA would have made a lot of noise about it.
But Khan warned that the worst was still to come.
Look, what is going to happen when the curfew is lifted will be a bloodbath. These 900,000 troops, what are they going to do when they come out? There'll be a bloodbath.
India imposed its security lockdown in Kashmir nearly 2 months ago, virtually cutting off all communications between residents and the outside world. It said the aim was to combat terrorism. During his speech to the UN, India's Prime Minister made no mention of the territory, but he made it clear where his nation's priorities lay.
We believe terrorism is one of the biggest challenges, not for any single country, but for the entire world and humanity. The lack of agreement among us on the issue of terrorism has hurt those very principles that are the basis of the creation of the UN.
Imran Khan's speech has been the most explosive at this year's General Assembly. The leader of one nuclear power accusing another of risking a bloodbath in a region the two nations have disputed for decades. The question now is, how will the UN respond? John Brain, TRT World at the United Nations.